Welcome back. Today we are starting our repair of this entryway. I'm going to cut this back to this floor joist. Hopefully that front plate is still okay, but we may have to scab onto it. Cool, that's into nothing. Not holding on to anything. That's all. Cool, 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 cool. Oh. Problem number one. There's nothing left of this side of the sill plate. There's almost nothing left of this side. This is two 2x6s, so it is replaceable, but I don't know how far it goes underneath here that is rotten, but I can assume it's a good bit. And then we also have that board is broken, which is cool. So probably gonna have to scab a piece to tie that back together, or to re-support it. So this is not good. So option one is I either just chop out this section right in the doorway from here to here and put two pieces in, anchor it, and then scab in a piece across the back side to hold it together, because or I just rip the whole cabin apart and rebuild the whole cabin, which is not a good option. The problem is the water drips down, lands here, splashes back on to right here, and it just is just rotting out this front bit. I'm having a fun time. Are you having a fun time? One of us is lying, and I think it's me. That's it's like kneeling on concrete that's older is painful. All right. 37 3/8, I think. Well, that one's in there. Oh, the other one just slides right in. I'm going to scab a 2x8 just across here, just to kind of anchor them back together a little bit. He's ready to go. Here. Okay, we're gonna have to try and squeeze it in slowly from this edge. Wow, I'm gonna measure between this edge and here and subtract 1.5 inches, get a piece in and just kind of work its way down to get it to push that back over. Hopefully that works. So we'll drop this in. Then well, that worked. I added a couple pieces across the front here just to help with the main support walking in, because I am using a piece of 3/4 inch ground contact pressure treated plywood. I went with plywood because I can make one piece, put it in, and we're good to go. It's also pressure treated, so it'll hold up. I will probably sand it down quickly and then hit it with some floor paint just to also protect it and keep, you know, kids from getting splinters off of the plywood. But this is the best option. Simple, not cheap, but simple and effective. And I have extras in case I have to do, I think I have to do the door on the next cabin over, because it looks pretty bad. I think most of the other ones are in good enough shape. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's a lot. See, yeah, little tiny splinter in my hand. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better and safer than it was. So, yeah, this will just get a quick sand down and a bit of just a little light brown paint. But we'll get this nailed down real quick. Because I could use screws, but it's going to be easier if I have to repair this or replace this or do something else if I just nail it down. And these are a little long for what I actually need, but they'll do quite well. I also am going to need to nail down these boards because most of them seem a bit loose, just because I cut right at the nails. So sanding, a little bit of paint. Yeah, that's gonna wrap up this project. Not perfect. There's still, you know, I gotta do something about the rotten wood on the baseboard here, which is just gonna be some 1x boards that I'm pretty sure that's what was done here anyways. This was some 1x was taken and just tucked up underneath there, nailed in place, and called it a day. So that's probably what I'm gonna have to do. But for now, this is at least good to go. I didn't get rid of the whole spring on the floor, but it's better than it was. Thanks for watching the Landlord special. Actually, the Landlord special would have been just paint over it, maybe put a piece of paper down, or it would have been put a piece of cardboard over it, paint it, walk away. But this is, I don't know, sometimes you can't fix things as much as you would like to because, one, you don't have time, and two, you just, once you start tearing it apart, you might as well just tear the whole thing down. Maybe not that bad, but it's better, it's safer. The other boards underneath should be fine. I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.